Do motivation propensity and business reputation influence customer perspective of Lagos State SMEs? Small and medium-sized enterprises (SMEs) play a crucial role in economic development and an inclusive society. Hence, understanding the factors that influence customer perspective is essential for their growth and sustainability. The current study examined the effect of motivation propensity, opportunity pursuit and business reputation on the customer perspective of SMEs. A cross-sectional survey design was employed and data were collected from 343 owner-managers of SMEs in Lagos State. Multiple regression analysis was used to analyze the data. The results showed that business reputation had a significant positive effect on customer perspective, and motivation propensity partially influenced this relationship. These findings suggest that SMEs should focus on fostering a culture of motivation and building a strong business reputation to enhance customer perspective and ultimately, their overall performance. Conclusion and recommendations for SME owners, managers, and policymakers are discussed. Introduction. Small and medium-sized enterprises (SMEs) play a vital role in the economic growth of many countries, including Nigeria, where they contribute to job creation, innovation, and economic development. The success of SMEs largely depends on their ability to attract and retain customers, which is influenced by factors like the motivation of their employees and business reputation. Motivation propensity refers to the willingness of SME owners and employees to be driven and perform well, leading to better customer service and satisfaction. Business reputation, which reflects how trustworthy and reliable a company is perceived, also plays a critical role in shaping customer loyalty and willingness to engage with the business. While previous studies have looked at these factors separately, this research aims to explore how motivation propensity and business reputation together affect customer perspectives in Nigerian SMEs, offering valuable insights for improving customer satisfaction and business success in this sector. Conclusion. Considering the majority of the empirical findings and theoretical foundations supporting this study's findings, that business reputation and motivation propensity have a positive influence on customer perspective of the selected manufacturing SMEs, therefore, this study concluded that business reputation and motivation propensity are positive determinants of customer perspective. This study, hence, recommended that manufacturing SMEs continue to prioritize their motivation propensity by increasing their business opportunity adoption and outcome-focused motivation alongside their business reputation in reaching more customers, encouraging repeat purchases, and increasing customer satisfaction and retention. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.